Jo Leute, was geht ab in Römstadt und herzlich willkommen zu meinem neuen Video.
Jo Leute, was geht ab in Römstadt und herzlich willkommen zu einem neuen Video hier.
Seriously? Okay, I have just blessed you with such an introduction because I'm beyond excited that I'm going to prepare my special exclusive semester project. You might be quite surprised, but I'm going to teach myself German language from level B1. Let's just be honest, it's just like you could have several difficulties during a basic conversation with a German native speaker. I want level C1 in less than 20 days.
Oh, that's a good title, by the way.
Okay, so the thing is, I have to prepare a presentation on my chosen skill, which is obviously Deutsche Sprache, based on the first 20 hours by Josh Kaufman. Isn't it amazing, guys?
So, my meaning is
Cold
that
room. Come on, guys. That was a joke.
The way I'm going to show you my step-by-step progress will be divided into particular blocks, maybe like 20. Okay, never mind. I just want to take you to my own world, showing you how impossible can be possible. My plan is to engage you in several ways to get perfect pronunciation and language skills by reading books, watching YouTubers, listening songs, and so on and so on. Oh wait, I almost forgot. Watch till the end because I have a big surprise. After all 20 hours, I will record in my studio a cover of Adele Tawil's German song Kartenhaus. A little warning, when I will be speaking in German, you'll see subtitles below, so don't worry. Hello everyone, welcome back again. So let's get it started.
Let's get it started in here.
Okay, so to begin with, I just wanted to recommend you one tip. So this tip is buying books in antique shops, especially when you are a student who wanted to learn languages, because as we know, books for languages are somehow expensive. So if you wanted to have a lower cost of that item, so usually it could be a good option to visit an antique shop. The book that I will be using for all 20 hours of my practicing my language skill will be Deutsche Grammatik und Rechtschreibung, and this book is about alle wichtigen Regeln, und this is somehow einfach und verständlich. Okay, so I'm gonna use this book, as I said previously, for the next 20 hours because I just wanted to start my, lessons with the basic grammatic construction and structures. I just wanted to say that I'm gonna read this book in less than 10 days because this is not, so I would say this book is not so long, so actually it could be easy to read this. I just wanted to say my next tip. So if you wanted to learn any language you want to, so usually it could be preferable to read at least one book you want. So when it comes to me, is What is Sinne? And das ist the German book. I'm so sorry. Okay, and if you will read this book, usually you don't have to know every single phrase, every single word. You just have to use glossary. Okay, so wir anfangen. Es ist Viertel nach 5. Ich habe wenig Zeit und ich bin bereit. Ich habe viele Übungen gemacht, um Substantive mit bestimmten und unbestimmten Artikeln zu konjugieren. Und das war 4 Seiten. Ich hoffe, ich werde in Zukunft keine Probleme damit haben. Ich habe euch 2 Kapitel dieses Buches gleichzeitig gelesen. Ja. Und das ist alles für diesen Tag. Yo Leute, welcome back again. It's late evening and I have just finished all my lectures for today, so it's the most preferable time to start learning German finally, okay? So I'm gonna spend the next 4 hours for practicing idioms. Having a knowledge about idioms could make you more advanced in such a language. Because when you're speaking and you're using idioms wisely, so you're gonna be more like native speaker. So use them wisely and you'll be perfectly advanced, if I can say something like that, of course. Okay, just to not waste time, so I've prepared a short video from my favorite YouTube channel with German phrases. And I'm gonna repeat every single phrase that she will be talking. So it could be an amazing lesson for today, I think. Some of them are from B2 level, but some of them are very, very extended from C1, even C2. Let's start. Ich muss eine Brille im Gesicht tragen, so I have to wear my glasses on. I have to start with this short video, so let's move on.
The first expression is, da liegt der Hund begraben, which literally means, that's where the dog is buried. In English we would say, that's the heart of the matter.
Okay, so the phrase, da liegt der Hund begraben. So actually I didn't know anything about that idiom.
Expression number 2 is, wo sich Fuchs und Hase gute Nacht sagen, which
Okay. Wo sich Fuchs und Hase gute Nacht sagen. So the next expression I had no idea about.
Expression number 3 is, alles hat ein Ende, nur die Wurst hat zwei.
Okay. Das ist meine Lieblingsfrage, weil this is my favorite one because of the meaning, of course. Alles hat ein Ende, nur die Wurst hat zwei.
1, 2 Polizei, 3, 4 Grenadier, 5, 6 alte Gags, 7, 8 gute Nacht. 1, 2 Polizei, 3, 4 Grenadier.
Und das bedeutet,
Which literally means, everything has an end, only the sausage has two. In English we would say, everything must come to an end. Expression number 4 is, du nimmst mich auf den Arm, which literally means, you're taking me on your arm. In English we would say, you're pulling my leg. Now you say it. Du nimmst mich auf den Arm.
Du nimmst mich auf den Arm. Genau.
Super! Expression number 5 is, das ist ein Katzensprung, which literally means, that's a cat's jump. In English we would say, it's a stone's throw away. Now you say it. Das ist ein Katzensprung.
Das ist ein Katzensprung.
Gut! Expression number 6 is, sich zum Affen machen, which literally means, make an ape of yourself. In English we would say, to make a fool of yourself. Now repeat after me. Sich zum Affen machen.
Sich zum Affen machen.
Click on the link in the description. Oh.
Okay, so to be honest, that was only 10 idioms, but I'm gonna learn for the next 4 hours many more than was said in this video. Welcome in the third part when you will see my German lessons, which I appreciate for life. But I will I want to invite you and make a quick glimpse at my lessons in which I attend regularly. It will be probably more than 6 hours, but let's assume that it is, okay?
Dawajcie, dawajcie, zapytamy o drogę, co?
Pytać się o drogę?
Ja mam
Umiesz
spytać o
niemiecki?
drogę?
No to umiesz
No coś tam
niemiecki.
umiem
Mówię, że
po
umiesz
niemiecku.
no to dawaj.
Dobra. Guten Morgen. Szukamy drogę do domen.
Hören Sie mich? Meine Damen und Herren, machen wir so. Schauen wir auf unsere Anwesenheitsliste. Agata ZAWOJ KA.
Guten Tag, ich bin da.
Dann sprechen wir über die Häuser.
Ja, ich bin fertig.
Das ist Agata, ja?
Ja.
Okay. Können Sie vorlesen die Sätze?
Können Sie bitte Briefmarken mitbringen? Ja, gerne. Ich habe heute Vormittag die Post.
Zur Post, ja.
Können wir Sie etwas fragen? Wir suchen den Dom. Der ist in der Stadtmitte, gleich neben der Brücke. Entschuldigung, kennen Sie die Frankfurtstraße? Nein, leider nicht, aber hier ist ein Stadtplan.
Alles klar, vielen Dank.
I think that this is the most perfect time to see my progress and my results. So I've downloaded an application called Hi Native for people who wanted to see and try if their speaking skills, their phonetic skills are in good condition. So this application is dedicated for people who wanted to record how they're talking in different language to see how native speakers will rate it. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so I'm pretty excited because I have just created my account on this application and I found a random sentence from this book that I have already written, 10 capitals. So it means 10 chapters. And I will record this, what I said, and we will wait for the rates of native speakers. So let's start. Okay, so I have to open the recording. It's on my old phone, okay? So don't laugh, okay? Please, don't laugh. Okay, so I've chosen a random sentence, so let's record. Haben Sie versucht, mit ihr darüber zu sprechen? Natürlich, aber hat immer das Thema gewechselt. Okay, so I've already recorded this and we have to wait for the opinion from native speaker. Okay, I'm pretty excited. I really can't wait. Okay, I just got something and okay, Mr. Frank Martens said, sehr gut verständlich, das V in Versuch ist aber bei die wie ein W. Es muss hier wie ein F klingen, das R ist natürlich, wird nicht gerollt. Es klingt eigentlich mit dem Ü zusammen eher wie ein Ü. Dein letzter Satz ist gegangen sehr nach an der muttersprachlichen Aussprache. Weiter so. Okay, so as I see, okay, so I can see clearly that a little bit mistake is when I see versucht. So this should be like versuch, yeah? And another mistake that I can see clearly is when I'm speaking natürlich. There's no R sound, yes? So this should be like natürlich, okay? I'm pretty excited, I'm pretty elated because he said at the end that my speaking skills on the rest of the sentence, at the end of the sentence, are just like native speakers. So, oh my God, it's perfect. Oh my God. A native speaker from Germany said that I sounded like native speaker Isn't it amazing? This is what I came for. This is what we are waiting for, yeah? When we are learning languages. So usually we wanted to just have an ability to get those skills, like a native speaker. Am I right? Is it real? Okay? Oh my god. That's almost the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed my Highway to Hell video with German language as much as I did. You had an exclusive glimpse of my struggle with learning. I also enjoyed every single minute creating and directing that video. Thanks for staying with me till the end. That's still 1 hour left. I prepared a surprise. Okay, so I end up finishing the first part of the video. I'm totally exhausted. There's cold here. I hope that I won't get any cold.
Schloss mich an, so endlos tief. Und ich sehe in deine Augen, die Worte gehen, die Stille bleibt. Ich halte dich fest, solange ich kann, aber keine hält die Zeiger an. Niemals bereit. Ich will, dass das für immer bleibt. Ich will, dass das für immer bleibt. Doch dieser Moment ist wie ein Kartenhaus und die Zeit sind ihre Karten raus. Ich schau zu, wenn sie zu Boden fallen, wie sie zu Boden fallen. Dieser Moment ist wie ein Kartenhaus und die Zeit sind ihre Karten raus. Ich kleb sie auf und halte sie fest, damit mein Herz dich nicht vergisst.
W ogóle to taka ciekawostka, że zawsze jak coś nagrywam, to musi padać deszcz, więc powiem szczerze, że nie jestem zdziwiona, na mnie to już wrażenia nie robi.
An alle erschienenen und unerschienenen Erscheinungen, Menschen, Tiere, Meinungen, Gefühle, Fraktale, Zikaden, Mutanten, Schamanen, Fackelträger, Geistreisende und Mikroenzyklopen, jagende Weichorganismen. Es ist an der Zeit, einen Kreis zu bilden. Hallo Freunde, hallo Feinde, hallo Individuum, hallo Gemeinde, hallo Wölfe und hallo Schweine, hallo Fink, hallo Star, hallo Meise, hallo Bäume und hallo Fluss, hallo Hypophyse, hallo Hypothalamus, hallo Dunkelheit und hallo Licht, hallo du, hallo er, hallo ich, hallo Luft. Hallo alle Dinge mit Streifen, hallo alle Dinge, die sich als andere Dinge verkleiden, alle Dinge, die fühlen, alle die denken, alle die schreiben, alle die fühlen, lenken, schweben, leiden und alle Dinge, die schweigen.